everyone, welcome back to iTech Grow. I'm so glad you're here today. We're diving into the world of cloud storage and exploring an awesome service from Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS Amazon S3 Glacier. Whether you're a seasoned techie or just starting out, understanding cloud storage is crucial. It's how we store massive amounts of data without relying solely on physical hard drives. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about S3 Glacier, from its different storage classes to its incredible cost-saving benefits. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Amazon S3 Glacier? In a nutshell, it's a secure cloud storage service designed specifically for data archiving. Think of it as a massive digital vault for your important files. What makes S3 Glacier unique is its focus on long-term, low-cost storage. It's perfect for data that you don't need to access frequently, but still want to keep safe and sound. This includes things like backups, media libraries, or historical records. With S3 Glacier, you can confidently store your data for years to come, knowing it's protected and easily retrievable when you need it. Now let's talk storage classes. Amazon S3. Glacier offers 3 distinct options to fit your specific needs and budget. S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval, S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval, and S3 Glacier Deep Archive. S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval is the fastest option, designed for data you might need to access in milliseconds. This makes it ideal for critical backups or operational data. S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval offers a great balance of cost and retrieval time, making it suitable for a wide range of data types. Finally, S3 Glacier Deep Archive is the most cost-effective option, perfect for long-term storage of data that you rarely access. Section 4. Benefits of choosing S3 Glacier. There are several reasons why businesses and individuals choose Amazon S3 Glacier for their archiving needs. Let's break down some of the key benefits. First, S3 Glacier is incredibly cost-effective. You only pay for what you use, and with its tiered storage classes, you can optimize your costs based on how frequently you need to access your data. Second, S3 Glacier is incredibly durable. It offers 11 nines of durability, meaning your data is virtually guaranteed to be safe from loss or corruption. Scalability is another huge plus. You can seamlessly scale your storage up or down as needed, without worrying about capacity planning or hardware limitations. And of course, security is a top priority. S3 Glacier offers robust security features to keep your data safe from unauthorized access. Section 5S3 Glacier, your archiving solution. So there you have it, Amazon S3. Glacier is a powerful and versatile cloud storage solution for all your data archiving needs. Whether you're a large enterprise or an individual user, S3 Glacier offers the flexibility, affordability, and security you need to protect your valuable data. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to iTech Grow for more tech tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Until next time, happy archiving!